niguo gukinyaniria mubango wa UHC Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni yuritie kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU kunyitanira na thirikari niguo kunyorokia sekta ino. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri OUMA OLUGA orotete urugamiriri wa kiama giki na kuga ona thengia wao kuhingirio maundu maria makoretwo magitindikiriria thirikari ihingie, arigitani matikoretwo makihingia wigiririki wao thibitari iria mehokeirwo. OLUGA ataririe gicunji kia 64% kia arwaru matiamukagira motungata magaciru megie ithimi cia mirimu ngurani o hamwe na urigiti, thina uria augite ni arigitani mangiunina mategutindikiririo.
This is one of the first unions that has stood to support the Social Health Authority, knowing the value.
OLUGA uria waritie hindi ya kuruguria mutaratara wa mwanya uria gutongoria kiama giki gia KMPDU ihinda-ini ria miaka 5 onekete kwaga kuiganira na uria thibitari imwe itarumanagirira na arwaru aria mahetwo tariki cia kwamukira motungata ma guthinjwo niguo gukurana kana ni mamathire motungata macio thibitari-ini ingi na ningi niguo mathenya macio maheo arwaru angi, guku akiuga undu uyu ucungagiriria arwaru angi marabatara motungata ma naihenya maheo tariki iri kuraya.
We have so far sorted out all issues of health workers, including CBS. We are working very well with the unions. We've sorted issues of interns, we've sorted issues of UHC workers, and we want our healthcare workers now to go and treat patients the way they have been treated.
Oho thibitari ni ciuritio kwaranagiria na thirikari cia kaunti niguo dawa iria iragurwo ruhonge-ini rwa KEMSA ikaringana na mabataro ma arwaru aria maramatha motungata.
Time to expect somebody else to understand your issues in parliament is long gone. Now is the time that we have to come out as unions to actually have a solidarity fund that will help us have labor workers or workers as part of the parliament, as part of the executive, so that we can ask them that what changed before you were elected and when you were elected.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.